Hey everyone, my name is Smriti Ranjan Pradhan. I hold a bachelor's and a master's degree in physics from Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Kolkata. After completing my college education, I joined Alma Beta to build my career in data science. I secured a job at Accenture as a data analyst with the help of Alma Beta's robust curriculum. Although I had a basic knowledge of data science concepts and algorithms, I had no exposure to implementing them in the industry and adding value to businesses. That's when I decided to join Alma Beta. Alma Beta's unique curriculum and a fantastic group of mentors caught my attention. From regular mentorship sessions to insightful capstone projects, everything was just perfect. Moreover, the impressive pay after placement model is something that inclined me to go for Alma Beta. Also, the unsurmountable drive for outcome-based learning is what makes Alma Beta stand out in the crowd. My learning experience at Alma Beta was outstanding. The fun quizzes kept me glued to the lectures, which ultimately helped me revise the concepts faster. Alma Beta makes sure that their students are well versed with essential concepts that will be helpful during the job interviews. Moreover, the one-on-one mentorship sessions were a cherry on the cake. The mentors helped me get a glimpse of the first-hand industry experience in data science. Alma Beta also kept me updated with the latest trends and workflows in the data science field. Capstone projects definitely expanded my knowledge of industry. Working on the capstone projects is the perfect way to boost technical skills and team and communication skills. It was the best way to showcase my skills and prove my credibility to the recruiters. Moreover, at Alma Beta, I was fortunate to work with a couple of incredible teams on some really exciting projects. The AMA sessions were a weekly dose of pure motivation. Industry experts enlightened us with their experience in the data science field. We also learned how data science is benefiting various industries like technology, finance, healthcare, etc. Alma Beta conducted communication training in collaboration with Utter. The workshop with Utter helped me boost my communication and interviewing skills. Moreover, working in teams during the capstone projects taught me the nitty-gritty of the team management. Also, tight deadlines for assignments and projects helped me improve my time management skills better. During my placement journey, I learned how to showcase my skills and expertise through blog posts. I also learned how to present my ideas to my connections and make the best possible use of my time to engage more people in my network. The entire placement workshop prepared me well for all my subsequent endeavors. Moreover, the constant support and motivation from the whole Alma Beta team throughout the process was just invaluable. The mock interviews helped me defend my resume efficiently and boosted my confidence for the actual interview. Multiple mock interviews prepared me for facing the different questions and tasks with confidence. Moreover, the subject-specific mock sessions during the one-on-one mentorship sessions also helped me develop my technical and data science skills. My journey at Alma Beta was exceptional, having the scope to learn and grow alongside some fascinating cohort members amidst the chaos of pandemic was quite a novel experience altogether. My message to all the students would be to trust the process entirely and stay patient. Alma Beta will make sure that you secure the perfect job.